Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, and I'll show you how to customize always on display feature on this device. So first we'll just do that with the Muviz Edge application, because unfortunately we have no set up by default the AUD feature on our device. So just open the Muviz Edge, and here you can see one from these available themes. For example, we can go with this one. Just here click to apply this theme and tap then on the settings icon. Here click on the near the always on display on the switcher, and now as can you see here that we can show our AUD feature always while our device charging, or only when we are playing the music. Or also here we can change the timeout of the always on display from 1 minute just to never. We can just do it by swipe this white dot to the left or to the right side with our fingers or with the Samsung pen. Also here we can just change the brightness level. We can increase, for example, it, and we can close our AUD by double tap on our screen or by single tap, and also we can close it with the fingerprint. And now we can also go back here to the always on display section, and for example we just selected this theme. We can here click to the music controls. As can you see, we can just hide the music control after 10 seconds or just never. Also we can here enable to show the incoming notifications, to turn on or turn off the date, or to show the battery status always while our device charging and never. So that's it. That's how to customize always on display feature on our Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra with Muviz Edge application. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.